So, hello everybody. Today we're going to have a look at On the Farm 60. He's got a nice workshop set up now. He has this race mower. It's just got a standard 18 horsepower. Not really any mods. Got the exhaust done and a foot throttle, so it's ungoverned. Got lots of switches, so he has his lights, he has a horn. Has a switch if you want seat safety on or not, just in case you fall off and it runs away from you. It has a 4-inch pulley on the back and a 6-inch pulley on the front, and it does about 45. Here are the videos now.